What's up? It's your boy Henry Outdoors back with another banger. You feel me? I'm with my boy. You can't even zoom in on this camera, but we're gonna do a little challenge today. We're gonna see who can catch the most fish. So we're gonna see who can get the first to 5, or first to 4, or whatever time we leave. So make sure y'all smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and enjoy the video. First one of the day, y'all. Yes, sir. Little dinker. Another one that jumped out the water a while ago? Same one. Them pliers in there. You know, I gotta start uploading for y'all, man. I've been slacking, but I got a truck now, so I get to go places and get y'all some good ad content. Y'all gonna see mostly him in my videos too, because I don't really mess with a lot of people. So if y'all see him mostly in my videos, well, y'all might see Mitchell for fishing in my shit too. That's my boy. Make sure y'all go drop a follow. I mean, subscribe to him. Yeah, go subscribe to him too. But y'all, first one of the day, Lil Dink. I'm telling y'all, I got good content coming for y'all every week. I'm gonna be dropping a video every week for y'all.
I just want to throw him back.
And when they hit, bro, they be swallowing this shit. Nice one, y'all. Nice little Dink. That's 2 for him.
Thought it was a big one. Over exaggerating this shit.
Hold it up to the camera.
Whoa. What you doing?
Guys, my camera wasn't on whenever I caught this last fish, but I'm up 1. The score 3-2. You know Henry Outdoors always gonna take the lead. But anyway, this is the bass that I caught right here. I was gonna throw him back, but he swallowed the hook and it wasn't no point. He ain't gonna survive, so guess I keep him. But this him right here. We still going, see who can go first 4 or 5. I think I'm gonna end it to like whoever get the first to 4. So stay tuned. We still giving y'all some good ad content. My boy Booty crack out.
Bro, go on, bro.
But we had to hop in the boat to work the pond. So stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all some more fish. Rock out, gang. Ending the video right here. You know, your boy Henry Outdoors came on top. It was 3-2. I'm still giving him 2 more well, he only got 1 more now. Cause I'm about to go.
5 more.
I'm about to go after he throw this last one. If he don't come on, I'm about to leave him. But anyway, score is 3-2. We're gonna have another challenge next week. Me and my brother supposed to go to another pond. You know, me and my boy Mr. for Fish and Fish this bitch a lot. It's pretty big. You can go around that little corner back there. But we ain't go back there because I was tired and I got a shit. But anyway, make sure y'all drop a like, comment below what kind of videos I want to see next. And your boy Henry Outdoors is out.